My new Z1 Motorsports rear camber kit just came in. Nice little postcard. Couple stickers for the windshield or not. This is kind of what they look like. But I was already looking through this, and something interesting that caught my eye. I mean, if you really wanted to, I mean, pay attention to this and not really want to do an alignment, so to speak. But I mean, I have the drag radials on the back. And where is it at? I think it's in this chart here. It'll tell me how long they have to be for it to be 0 degrees or -1, -2, so to speak. But see, they'll give you the calculations here. So I mean, if you really wanted to measure it, because stock is 306 millimeters, and I think I'm at like -2 in the back right now. So I mean, if I just adjust those to the specs that they recommend in there for the 0 degrees, I think it would be pretty close or damn near at 0. But then we got something else that came in today, because this week on Friday, Friday, I'm gonna drop off my car to Central Valley Performance so we can do the fuel return kit, and this is a crucial part to that. Got it from Concept Z Performance. It'll probably take about maybe a couple days to do, or they actually might knock it out that same day. But instead of using the OEM version, I decided just to upgrade to these. Let's see what these are. Oh man. So these are the CJM fuel rails, dash 6 and fittings. So I mean, that was pretty recommended if I was going to go E85, which I am later on. Once I can find some injectors, probably 1050s or 1000cc injectors. But this is what they look like. And they make this packaging dummy proof. So this is what they look like with the 6AN fittings on the end. So instead of running and cutting off the ends of the stock fuel rails, I mean, this will probably be, you know, a better result just using aftermarket fuel rails. So I mean, just in case something did happen to the other ones, whether they're, you know, they warp when they get welded, because you have to weld the 6AN fittings onto them. So I mean, we'll roll this route just so it'll save me in the long run. Either way, I was gonna go this route, so might as well knock it out now. But I'll drop this off today to Jaime at Central Valley Performance, and he'll probably get started on my car possibly Friday morning. So hopefully it'll be done Saturday, and probably do the tune on the return system to have that constant 45 pounds of pressure, fuel pressure, and get a solid tune out of this, and then probably possibly close to maybe, I don't know, New Year's or something of the sort, probably go with the E85. But for now, I mean, if my motor lasts, and this will be a solid upgrade for now. Alright, so got the fuel return kit on. That's the fuel pressure regulator right there. And then we did the CJM fuel rails, all AN fittings, all the good stuff. And we'll be tuning on 85 as well. So once we get that all squared away, it's a nice little kit, all black. I like the stealth look of it. It's pretty nifty. but we gotta go with some bigger injectors because these 600s from the stock GTR aren't gonna cut it. So we'll go with bigger injectors and get this thing tuned on 85. All right, so update with the car. After we got the fuel return kit on, I had Jaime at Central Valley Performance replace the valve cover gasket. I replaced it several times, but I kept thinking that that's what the case was, as well as the oil cooler air, or the oil filter cooler gasket, but it keeps leaking out of these grommets. So they ran a compression test on it. Unfortunately, cylinders 4, 5, or no, yeah, 4, 5, and 6, low compression. So this motor is done, and time to get a new one. Well, I'll probably get one imported. Go with those imported motors with like 45 to 65,000 miles on it. But that's where we sit now. That'll run. I just have tons of oil just spewing out the grommets right here. So, and they're probably filled up with oil right now. So these coil packs are probably shot too. Might as well go with new coil packs and spark plugs. But that's where we sit on this.